following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. At approximately 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, there have been reports of a group of individuals dressed as leprechauns roaming around the city of Boston and are causing damage to property, injuries, and robberies to innocent civilians by means of assault. At this time, about 50 people have been assaulted or robbed of their personal belongings by these leprechauns.
It is unknown what the intentions of these individuals are at this time, but police believe that these people are St. Patrick's Day partygoers that are highly intoxicated. All residents of the city of Boston and surrounding areas are strongly advised to remain in your homes at this time, and not to go outside unless absolutely necessary. Do not approach these individuals, as they are considered to be dangerous. If you spot one of these leprechauns, report them to the Boston Police Department from a safe distance by calling 617-343-4633. Please tune into local media outlets for more information whenever it becomes available.
Civil danger for the city of Boston and surrounding areas. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boston Police Department. Residents of the city of Boston, lock all of your doors immediately. The situation regarding individuals dressed as leprechauns causing chaos in Boston has worsened. The leprechauns have now acquired semi-automatic rifles and are now opening fire on innocent civilians at bars, restaurants, and other large gatherings across the downtown area. They are shooting and killing anyone they see, without showing any mercy whatsoever. These individuals all show stereotypical characteristics of leprechauns, from anywhere between 4 feet 6 inches to 5 feet tall, slightly pale skin, and dressed in all bright green clothing. All residents of the city of Boston and surrounding areas are strongly advised to remain in your homes with all windows and doors locked. Do not approach these leprechauns, as they are considered extremely armed and dangerous, and will kill anyone on sight. If one of them enter your shelter, use armed protection by all means. This includes lethal force. Police are being dispatched to deal with the situation. Tune into local media outlets for more information whenever it becomes available.
An administrative message from the Boston Police Department. The leprechauns that have been causing chaos across the city of Boston and surrounding areas have all been arrested by the Boston Police Department and are currently being taken to the Suffolk County House of Correction on several charges of assault, second-degree murder, homicide, robbery, and vandalism. They have caused thousands of dollars in property damage and around 32 fatalities with around 150 injuries.
The danger to residents in Boston is now over, and residents may exit their homes at this time. If your home has been damaged in any way, call 911 immediately. Repeating, the leprechauns have been arrested, and all residents may exit their shelters at this time. The Boston Police Department thank you for your cooperation during this emergency.
Ah.